Alright, welcome back to my channel, you all. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlena, and I do a lot of different lifestyle content, but mainly focused on makeup. And today's video, I thought would be fun to show you some new products that have just come out this year that I feel like not a lot of people have in their collection, but you absolutely need. You need them, you all. I don't say that lightly, and I don't say that very often, but these products are so amazing, and I don't see a lot of people talking about them enough, especially for how incredibly good they are, and I'm obsessed with these. I've been wearing these non-stop for the last several weeks or so, and they're just all great stuff. So I'm not gonna blab anymore. We're gonna jump right into the first products. I'm going to do a mini review of them, show you the swatches and all of that, and then I do a mini tutorial of this makeup right here, demonstrating the products I talk about, and then at the end, I'm gonna do just a mini vlog, go out into the wild with my camera and show you how the makeup looks in real light, and we'll do a check-in several hours later so you guys can see how the makeup holds up, so you can get a very well-rounded review. So let's jump right into the products. Let's start first. Let's do the lips first. So this is by the brand called SheGlam, and I didn't hear a lot about this brand until the last few months or so for some reason, but they have this new product. It's called Take a Hint Lip Tint, and I'm wearing it right now, and I was really surprised how much I loved these because they're really inexpensive. They're only $5. Let me show you the box that I got. I got the full set here. So on their site, I saw that they have 9 colors. They're $5 a piece, and what it is, it's almost like a hybrid between a lip gloss and a liquid lip. Like, it's not drying at all. Let me just demonstrate it. The color that I'm wearing right now is Good Habits, and then of course I'll do the tutorial at the end as well. So it is a creamy formula that is glossy, but it's long wearing. Like, look at my hand, you guys. I swatched this when I did the tutorial and it's still sitting there. So these are supposed to last up to 5 hours or more. They're supposed to be very long wearing, and then they start to change colors after a few minutes. So when you first apply it, it's going to be one color, and then after a few minutes it starts to dry down and settle in, and it changes color slightly. It's very comfortable on the lips. It's natural. It's not sticky at all. It's such a unique formula that I haven't tried before, so I was really impressed with these because it feels like a gloss, but it's not sticky, but then it stains, so it's like a staining lip gloss. I know, it's such a cool formula. So let me show you the packaging. They're so feminine looking. It has the pale pink and it's kind of sprayed down, this ombre look here, and then it has the color inside like this. So this is the color. Let me just re-swatch it on my hand. This is Good Habits, but do you see the sheen on that, how it looks like a gloss, but it's a cream? It's such a cool formula. So there's multiple colors that they sell. There's a bright pink, a warm pink, some purples, a nude. There's just a great variety of colors, and every single color looks amazing on me that I've tried so far. I feel like it's so elegant looking, and it's $5. I could not believe the price point. I was shocked because when I first got these, I was like, it looks a little bit high end. It's just very sleek, very elegant. I love the size of the packaging. It's not too large. It's easy for me to throw in my purse and take on the go, and the formula I'm obsessed with. It's so beautiful. I don't know why more people are not talking about this because it's such a cool and unique formula that I haven't seen any other brands do yet. So love these. They are called, again, the Take a Hint Lip Tint. So the next new product I have that you must have in your collection, I'm not even joking, you guys. I've been wearing this non-stop since I got this. So I bought this at Sephora when they had their VIB sale, and I cannot put it down. It's beautiful. It is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Insanely gorgeous, you all. It's $67 and it has 18 colors in there, and there's so many variety of finishes. There's a matte, there's a satin, there's a duochrome, there's a shimmer, just a great variety of colors. This to me leans more cool toned and pink, so I know Huda loves her pinks and her palettes, but this one to me is very cool tone. It has like a nice purpley gray color in there. It's just a beautiful palette. I love the packaging, how it's a sleek plastic. I love kind of the marbling on the front. It's just a beautiful palette. I cannot stop putting it down, and for whatever reason I don't see a lot of people talking about this compared to like the new nude palette and the naughty palette. But this one to me is so special. The one that I'm wearing on my lid, and I'll do a tutorial in a minute, is Blissful. Look at that color, you all. Do you see that dual chrome shift? It's so gorgeous. The other one I love is Cosmic Love. It's a purple and kind of bluish teal duochrome shift, and then you have Moon Magic. Oh my gosh. Actually, I think I'm wearing Moon Magic today, actually. It's this one here, which looks kind of white and pink, but when you go to apply it, for me, it turned purple. That's what I'm wearing on the lid. It's such a beautiful palette, and it's so unique too because you have some of them have the marbling colors in here. You have this one, which I know everyone was like, oh, it looks like like a petri dish or something. I was like, okay. You do have to use your fingers on a few of these colors. That's my only suggestion on this palette is you cannot use a brush for all of them. Like the mattes for sure, but the sparkly glitter ones, I find it's best applied with your fingers. You'll get a much better application. I will say it works for all skin tones, but a couple colors will not work for deeper skin tones, mainly Radiate and Cherished. I think they'll come across too ashy on deeper skin tones, but outside of those two, I feel like all of the rest of the colors will work on everyone from fair skin to deep. So I do think it's a very versatile palette. I looked where this was made too, and it was made in Italy. I know the manufacturers in Italy are top notch. They do amazing high quality production. So I feel like that price point for all of the shadows that you get, especially how unique they are, I think she did a great job with that. So definitely think that's worth having in your collection. Then the next product I have are brushes, and these just launched, and I bought these from Rose. It's Rose and Ben Beauty. I probably don't need to introduce Rose at all. You guys know her from TikTok. She does amazing videos on TikTok, lots of educational makeup videos. She's so sweet, you guys. I met up with her a month or two ago. She lives not too far from me, and she's so sweet in person, you guys, like a true genuine person. So I'm so happy for her. But her brushes that she launched are incredible. So I bought a few different brushes, and I've been using them lately, and I demoed these in this tutorial too, but they're so soft. These are synthetic brushes. They're cruelty free, they're high quality. They have the wood handle here that's lacquered, so it'll be long wearing, and the bristles do not feel synthetic at all. They feel like actual natural hairs, but they're not. They're so soft, so buttery. These are very, very professional, high quality brushes that are outstanding. The one I have here is the C41. This is her blush brush, but for me, because it's larger, I like to bronze with it. I like to press my face powder. It's just a great all-around face brush. So there's the size of the head like that. And then I got the E29, which is the blending crease brush like here. It's a perfect brush for just doing a smoky eye, blending out the crease. You can even touch up your concealer underneath. It's just a great multi-purpose brush. And so there's the size of the head like that. It's just a great traditional eye brush size, but very soft, very easy on the skin. Love that. The price of that is $25. And then the other brush I got is the C31, and it looks like this. It's angled like that. It's called a concealer and foundation brush, which I guess you could use it concealer under the eyes, but because it is more dense, I actually like using this on the eyes. So I like using it to kind of do a smoky eye out here, kind of smudging some color. Sometimes I'll even put it in the crease or maybe put some color in here. For me, I like using it for the eyes a little bit better. It's a beautiful brush, very unique shape, and that one is $26. So I love supporting her because she's not only a great person, she's ethical, she's very genuine, but these brushes really are good quality. And especially for that price point, I think you can't go wrong with such amazing, just professional brushes. The next new-ish product I have that you must have in your collection, they're amazing. I have not stopped using this as well since I got it. It is the Cover FX Blush Duo. This is the color Warm Honey, which is a beautiful, just tawny, rosy pink color. One side is matte, one side is shimmer, so you could use it technically as a highlight and a blush. I think the formula is beautiful. It's super soft. It's easy to wear. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now, and do you see how it just blends so flawlessly into the skin? I got this at Ulta several months ago. I've used it literally nonstop since. I paid $38 for these, and I'm looking up on my phone right now, and it almost has 5-star reviews. So people who have used it really love it, but I don't see a lot of people on YouTube specifically talking about these as much. Maybe it's me. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people have not talked about it. I'm like, come on, you need to have this in your collection. It's so beautiful. But it's just a beautiful formula, blends flawlessly into the skin, just gives you a really nice natural glow. So I'm gonna start first with the Rose and Ben brush. This is a C41. I'm just using my go-to MAC pressed powder as a bronzer. That's not what's new, but the brush is. I want to demo it. So this is her blush brush, but for me, it's a little bit large to use for blush, so I love bronzing with it. So I'm just gonna take my bronzer and kind of warm up the forehead with it. It's such a soft brush, very fluffy, does not feel synthetic at all, feels real. It feels like natural hairs, but when I'm in a hurry, I love just applying my bronzer on the forehead and cheeks like this because it's so fluffy and it just gives me a nice soft diffused look. Take your E28 brush. I'm gonna go in with Aura. It's this nice, rich, plummy brown color here, and I'm just gonna dust this all over the lid and come up into the crease. We're gonna go in with Gratitude, which is a beautiful warm pink. Put this in the crease and start blending it up to the brow bone. Moon Magic, you all. This color right here, so gorgeous. My favorite one in the palette. I like to play it with the fingers though, because it is a little bit chunkier and it's a duochrome. I find that I get more impact with the fingers versus a brush. So I'm just gonna pat this on the lid. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. I told you this has been my go-to look all week. I cannot stop wearing this. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna curl my lashes with the new Makeup Geek lash curler, which works amazing. Keeps my lashes super curled throughout the day. And then apply the new Extension Effect mascara. I like to put a good 2 coats on. I did put half lashes on, you guys, but I didn't talk about them because they're not new. I just slapped those bad boys on and let's keep it moving. I need some blush, so I'm gonna use the new Cover FX Monochromatic Duos. This is the one in Warm Honey. Same C41 brush from Rose and Ben Beauty. I'm gonna pick up this side and I'm gonna bring it up high up here on the cheeks just for a nice flush glow. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, now we get to pick which one of these lips that I'm gonna wear. The one that is actually my favorite is this one, and it's called Good Habits. It's a beautiful, warm, peachy pink color. It's just like your natural lip color, but better. So I'm gonna put that one on. And normally I would line my lips, but I do want to do a wear test so you guys can see what it looks like with just the lip color on, no liner. The formula is so comfortable. I really like this a lot. It's not tacky, it's not overly drying. It just feels like a lip tint, like what it says. Okay, so I wiped this off my hand. You guys, look, it's still stained on there. That tells you how potent that is. It's gonna last for a long time. So we'll give it the test. So I'm gonna go out, run some errands. I'm gonna go to Ulta, take you guys with me, and then we'll check in several hours later. I'll get up close so you guys can see. So this is what my makeup looks like right now. My eye bags are barking today. I know, but this is what the makeup looks like before I go out. So I'm in the car with Mom. Hi. We're just about to go to Ulta. Let me show you guys in the natural light. Let me get up close so you guys can see. So there's my foundation. There's my eyes. There's my lips. It's still glossy. I even drank some tea and all that. So we're going to head to Ulta and I'm going to go scout out perfumes. Okay, so I am outside. I'm actually going to put on my mask too because I want to see how the lips are going to hold up and then also my face. Obviously the eyes won't matter, but let me put this on. Okay, so I just bought this one. I love it. It's such a great signature scent, great for every day. It's just an easy, just pretty perfume. I want to smell this one because I heard some people saying this is good, so let me smell that. Okay, let's smell this one. Oh, that's really sweet. So the ones here I wanted to try is some Tom Ford ones. I actually want to smell this one. I've heard some people say this is really good. It's unisex, but I love the bottle, so let's smell this one. This smells really good. It's like kind of sweet, but kind of spicy. That's a good one. That's a top runner right now. Okay, so the other one I want to get is the purple one because I have the gold one, the Alien Goddess. Love it. It's a nice, warm, sweet scent, but I want to try this purple one. I love these bottles. They're so unique and so pretty. Ooh, that's actually good. Ooh, that one's good, Mom. It's better than all right. I would buy that one. It's sweet. It's florally. It's not too strong. I like that one. It's really pretty. Okay, Mom and I are back in the car. It was hopping in the store, but this is what I got. I got the Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. Ooh, so pretty. At first, when I know Mom's like, when you first spray it, it smells a little masculine, but then when it dries down, because I put it on my wrist and I wore it around the store, oh, it's so good. It's so fresh and sweet. It doesn't smell anything like when you first spray it, so it's so beautiful. It smells very luxurious, right, Mom? Yes. Very luxurious. And then I got this for my Nani. My Nani's probably not going to see this video by the time she gets it, so that's good. But I got Nani Gucci Bloom. So I think Nani's going to like that one. So... Okay, so I'm back home, you all. Obviously, I'm in my pajamas already. I was like, as soon as I get home, I'm like into my pajamas. So it is 8:30 right now. I started filming the video at 1 o'clock, so it's been 7.5 hours, actually almost 8 by now. And this is my makeup right now, what it looks like. Now, mind you, I went and ran errands, I drank coffee, I ate dinner, I brushed my teeth, I bathed my daughter, I cooked. I've done a lot of stuff today since I filmed the video earlier, and this is what my makeup looks like. So let me get in and show you all. So obviously my foundation is worn down around here because I blew my nose a lot. I wore the mask and everything. My cheeks have held up pretty well. My eyeshadows held up pretty well too. It hasn't creased or faded much. Like the matte's faded maybe just a little bit. My lips surprised me the most because the color is still there, which is insane because I literally ate and drank so much stuff since I first put that on, and it's still on. Now the shine has gone down. It's 7.5 hours later, but the color is still there, which is shocking to me. So I had a lot of fun doing this video for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video, and I'll do some more. I had a lot of fun with this because I feel like it's a variety of a bunch of stuff and really hardcore testing products. So thanks you guys for watching. Check out the description box for all the information that you guys need, and I hope you're staying happy and healthy like always, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.